Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, and hope all of you are doing great today. And now, on today's episode, I'm going to show you about how to use JavaScript code compilers. Basically, JavaScript is based on the scripting language, which is mainly used to develop the logic on our web page. Mainly, it is used to develop the website. Then other thing also, there are various framework in JavaScript. Some of which are React, Node, Nest, Angular, Vue.js, Steve.js, Embedded.js, Backbone.js, jQuery, pre-react, express.js, cola.js. Okay, now these are the framework, and if you want to use the code compiler, then here is our code compiler. You can use that JavaScript code compiler. Here you can see console hello old. Okay, now yeah, here is our code compiler, and if you want to get much more information, then you can use our AI bot also. Now, if I type the information, WRIT, right, PROGRAM program to add two NUMBERS numbers in JABASCRIPT, and it will take some time, but it will display us a proper result also, so which we can use it on our code. Now here you can see here it is started generating a code. Okay, let's see. Simple JavaScript program to add two number. Now just remove this one, paste this one. What happened to this code? Let's try to figure it out. Now if we are going to use Grook also. Grook has quite good and better response. Let's see how Grook will display us a response. So our chatbot is having such kind of issue. I'll try to fix it later also. Okay. Let's say use, and rather than JavaScript, we have much more code compiler here. Python, C, C++, Node.js, JavaScript, Groovy, JSL, Haskell, TCL, Lua, ADA, Common Lisp, D, Elixir, Erlang, F-Sharp, Fortran, Assembly, Scala, PHP, Python 2 also, from web language, Bootstrap, jQuery, Foundation also. If you want to compile the Bootstrap can also be compiled, and let's run this. I think Bootstrap is based on net. Okay, so that Visual Basic also VB.net. Now we are on JavaScript. Okay, let's see about the compile JavaScript code. Okay, let's try to run this. Sum of number 8 JavaScript. Okay, let's run this. Now here you can see our JavaScript code has been run successfully. And if you want to take learn more about this thing, code compiler is here. Here is our tutorial. We are trying to make this quite more better. So let's see, if you click on next, you can see the next thing also. So it will be better for you to learn about this. Okay. So we are trying and we are giving our best to make this code compiler. And if you want to use this, then come here and visit our website. Here we are making this code compiler. We are making basic tutorial course also, JavaScript, Python also, SQL, TCL. Apps are common leaves also, assembly also, other course. We are adding quite more courses here. Okay. Now if you want this, then go and search about Macro Nepal, then it will display all of this thing. Okay, have a great day.